Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is Open Blues Guitar 1. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with a free member account or a premium member account if you want to support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for you guys. So what are we talking about today? Let's let music speak, and then I give further explanations on that. So that's a theme which I'm going to show to you. Also, I want to teach you how to tell a story with the guitar, because this stuff is from the technical side really simple to play, but honestly from the musical side it's telling a story on the guitar is not so easy, but still once you know the coin dropped, it's really easy because it's all about telling stories on guitar, especially in blues. So let's get started. Alright guys, I recommend doing finger picking on this kind of playing, but it can also be done with the pick. It's up to your personal favorites in your playing technique, but from my point of view, when you do finger picking, you can tell a story a little bit better, but it really depends on your personal choice. Okay, so let's get started. Now, the tune or the blues is in D. So we have the chords D, G, and A. Okay, so now we are playing a few figures, and I'm going to show you how to move from one chord to the other, how to make all these cool effects. We can also do it with a panner. Let's do that at the end. First we need to be able to play the traditional natural panner or tremolo effect, and then we add a tremolo effect. Okay, so the figure is, we start with D5 here, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, with the A in the bass. So this is a way more nicer vibe than with the D in the bass. It already gives this really wide bluesy sound. We have this figure at the beginning. Okay, so you make the hammer here, and then we go to the F sharp, and you pick it with your thumb. Why are we picking it with the thumb? Because we can hold the upper chord longer and have this really wide sound. Okay. Thumb in the 2nd fret, then we go to G. We just need to go here with the middle finger, and then we just play an open string G. Okay. Oh, sorry, it was like this at the beginning. So we do this figure. Then we go to the D with the A in the bass, but we have 3rd fret, 4th fret, and then we can take index finger, but you can also, if you make the normal D, then you take the thumb, because that's more convenient. If you take the other version, then you take the index finger, because you still have a finger free and you can keep the chord as long as possible. Then to G, and then you just let ring, and now you add the natural tremolo effect. Press against the guitar and make this tremolo effect. Then we go back to the first again. And then so we get, when we make the classical blues move here, 7/7, 5/5 to 4/3, and then we go to A7, open A string, again the tremolo effect. Okay, so the whole figure is like this. You can also make a vibrato on the chord if you want to have more expression. Then we do the whole figure again. But now, then we go up with this here, 4/3, 5/5, 7/7, now to 10/11. This will be an A, then we slide back here to the G in the 8th fret and add the D in the bass. Again do the tremolo effect, and then and now we go to an A. Here open A string, 7, 6, 5, and you do these little phrases instead of playing. You make, see, you make this short, we call this Vorschlagsnote in German, I don't know the English word for it. And then ending. Now, it's really, really simple to play, but telling a story and giving the view of a wide, Wild West style country landscape is what we want to achieve now with this melody here. That's why, by the way, the color is orange, because this is the color orange. So try to create a story. There is no rules how long you have to do these notes or how long you can keep the vibrato going or whatever. It depends on the story which you're telling. Or also experiment in dynamics, attacking the strings harder and softer. Now it's played soft. Now more attack. See? Also here when you go up, here the last one I didn't attack, I just slide it in to give the softer approach. And now is the final thing, the final phrase. You see how you can really create a story with the whole thing, and you can work with the vibrato which you create on the guitar, and that's really a cool thing, because this makes your playing way more. Experiment on how the sound of your guitar develops. You just play the first chord, D5, and then do this and see how the overtones pop in. Do you hear the overtones? And start to work with these overtones. That's the main thing, to really work on this. And It's more important that you can control your tone like with a regular sound setting. I've chosen a Fender twin reverb amp with a 2x12 cabinet with a spring reverb and a old analog tape delay to give this retro sound which we have here. Okay, but if you want to work, if you can control the tone like this, then you can also add, if you want, a tremolo effect. You still can do this. Same here, experiment how the tone develops by attacking the strings soft or hard. See? The main thing when you play these dynamic shifts is to work out your sound. What happens if you attack a chord soft or strong? And this way you can really richen up your sound and start telling a story with the guitar, and that's what it's all about in open blues guitar. Yo guys, that was Open Blues Guitar 1. Well, this is the first one, so the one's gonna more to come, of course, because open blues guitar is really cool. You know, or whatever. For me, that's if it comes to blues guitar, that's the real thing. Just one guitar, one amp, one location, and create stories on the guitar in a bluesy manner. I really love that. Yeah. One more to say, if you want to download the tabs of the thing which I just showed you, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join there with a free member account, but in order to download the stuff, you need a premium member account. And even if you're not a regular user, please make the premium member upgrade to support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for the guitar community. Or, as all my students, this is the official HPCrazy t-shirt. I don't wear it often. Today it was just on the top of the pile, so I can present it for once more. If you want to have one, link is in the description box below. As I said, all my students have one. Not because they need, because they find it cool. Yo, that's all me and Dr. Pink are having to say. See you next time. Please subscribe to my channel and please share the information that this channel exists to other people which are interested in guitar music. Bye guys.